What's up, BB gang? It's your girl VC, and I am back to you with another video. So in this video, guys, I will be showing you guys how I install this U-part wig from Hairspells. This is the packet that the hair came in, and also it did come with a pamphlet showing you guys just how to maintain the hair and their story and their social media platforms. Hairspells did send over their 20-inch Eurasian 300 density U-part wig, and also I did want to say that the ends of the hair is a bit frizzy. I'm not sure is it because I didn't wash the wig before I installed it, but I'm really not sure. But guys, it did come with 3 combs around the U-part and also 3 combs in the back of the wig. As you can see here, the wig is a bit bulky, so I am going to go through with my foam wrap lotion and just try to flatten it out. Alright guys, we have made it to the end of my hair tutorial. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, I did want to rate this wig. I would definitely give it a 7, maybe an 8. I could say that they can make the wig a bit smaller. I do have a small head, so it was a bit big on my head, but other than that, everything turned out great. The ends of the hair did do well once I curled it and everything. So yeah, everything about this hair will be in the description below. I do have a coupon code. So I am out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.